I think knowledge does not pain. For what you have learned is a tip of the iceberg. It's up to each one of you to increase digital skills as you go on to other courses, but even ICT is a course in itself, which is the most expanding area in the world. Sasa, as a government, you have heard it in my speech, we'll be expanding these colleges. This digital learning should go to the people where they are. And through our budget, we're going to look at institution of learning in each sub-county so that we can create a class there for our youth to learn. Because that's the way to go. Whether you are a doctor, whether you will be engineer tomorrow, there will be always a space for digital. Even consultation has gone digital. So it's good you have graduated. And it's up to you now to manage yourself, because ours is over. But if you need more support, do not hesitate. We want to form you as an academy. An academy. Emily will chase all these people to join an academy so that we can monitor their progress, and we can also be picking their requirements. We give them support until they stand on their own. Like there's a partner in Rwanda. I think our key speaker has more details. How do we get the details? Aboya, I want you to tell them how we can connect with the partner in Rwanda so that they can get more training.
Thank you. So there is a company in Rwanda called Jaka Limited. It is dealing with digital skills. They give you internships, especially those who have gained skills. So once they give you internship, they give you projects to develop. So when you develop, they pay you. Then they analyze your skills, then they give you full-time job to do remotely. They pay very well. They pay around 90,000 per month. So those who gain these skills, they're interested in software development. Those who gain these skills, we will link you to Jaka Limited so that you can get online jobs. Online jobs are well paying, it's only that we don't know about it. That's where money is. Thank you.
That you have heard from the horse's mouth. You don't have to have finished Form 4. But the Form 4 is good enough. You can outsource jobs. There are many jobs in the Western world because the population is aging, and you can make money from your sitting room. As I said to you out, I'm going to give you, each one of you, airtime of 5,000. So that you start from there, and then in the future, we'll be setting up Wi-Fi in each ward headquarters.
Wapi makofi.
Ward headquarters. And we create a room specifically for you people, those ones who want to work from there, because sometimes I know starting off, airtime is the biggest problem. But as also, you know, politics is what changes the world. You see vile Trump amefuruga America, isn't it? Lakini I would urge you to always elect the people of your choice. I think I'm up to the task, and I'm here asking for your votes. We can recruit them, be sending them airtime now and then, so that I think first of all, I'll call you, give you training as what you have done, what you plan to do, so that when you market the government, you know what you are doing. Tuko pamoja na tutembee pamoja mbele. Sawa sawa. I think it's a good time now we graduate these people. Tuacha otobwate graduates, about 57 of them. Watatomba kirana, lakini they are supposed to be 60. Na sete timune manifesto na rigete, na jitenga teba, niseta digital education. Nereye na azirtega. Na ndi mwate mipango yoko yira kila sub-county first, before we go to the ward level. Igo, abantu twagraduate bono, wasomera manage computer, wasomera ibintu bakora design, none kalenda nabo bakora iseria, chikadi nabo bakora iseria, wedding cards nabo bakora iseria. You don't have to go to Nairobi or anywhere. So, abantu abaito, naende gente kanina to anserte gente kengerina mumbu chigasire chinyenge. There is a lot of jobs abroad, and their population is aging. So, once we have trained these people here, karatu abasomiri bono, na bawi sana sa nyumba, akore gasi kara America, akore gasi kara Britain. Tai ras mo enda America mo akore gasi America. Na bo kora koruga, aye cheki ya so ya account ya straight away. Igona kiki tu abatrainiri, to elevate, to kore, or to reduce unemployment. E papo siene ye kosi ene na aba yuti abangi ba college, ose chi university, ose school, yoko nyabari stranded, watabu atinge to ba okora. Ojimotoa, dose ti system, to partner within a bank, to have a laptop as a deni. Ga okore ga semeti nyebere, anyoro anse wakane roni, aida nichiwe secho, na jetu tumie kwa abantu bande bari deserving. Biyamano.